Hey Siri,
Yes?
who's the most famous TikTok?
Oh nah bitch, I'm not even finna play with yo ass. You better stay away from me with that coronavirus with yo long neck ass boy. String bean head ass boy, slim Jim head ass boy. Man oh man, I ain't really wanna have to fire yo ass, but you kinda making me do it with them big ass Dumbo ears ass boy. Skinny head ass boy, broccoli head ass boy, Melvin from Madagascar head ass boy, beats pill head ass boy. People been playing tug of war with yo neck all yo life. Alright, I am done gassing you up. Psych. With yo duffel bag head ass boy, wannabe TikTok famous ass boy, skeleton in the back of a science class head ass boy, lamp post head ass boy, bottom of the sink head ass boy, microphone head ass boy, flashlight body ass